Hello there, family friends. The view from across the world. Joey Jones is back in the house. But first of all, I just wanted to record something here real quick. And it's been a while I haven't flown my quadcopter, my DJI Phantom 4 Pro. So right now, I was having issues because of the screen. I was getting the black, green images on it. So what I did was I called DJI, and then what I had to do was go to general settings, and then general, and then the software update, and it's at iOS 11.3, and that took care of everything. So I'm just paying attention to the screen and what I'm seeing. See, I still got that little, it's still, yeah, it comes on and on from time to time, but I still got to call them up and let them know that it's not fixed. You see it? Yeah, it's not as bad as it used to be, but let me show you. That's my Phantom 4 Pro. It's just flying off that dish right here, and I'm not doing anything. Look, he's just right there hovering. I love that quadcopter, man. That's my favorite quadcopter ever. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro. I can't wait till 5 comes out. But look, in the middle of my living room, and it's just right there hovering. Look at that. See that? Just hovering right there. I'm not doing anything. Yep. My DJI Phantom 4 Pro. But yeah, the screen, I'm getting the black and the green, but they say you must update it, so hopefully that'll work, and hopefully that'll get the job done. My baby right there. But yeah, so that's awesome. What do you think about that? But yeah, I mean, that's see, hopefully that'll take care of it. So you see it, how it flicks. Yeah. Well, that's it. Well, gotta land it. Gotta land the baby. Ha That's my baby right there. So yeah, I'm trying to get this, man, because it's been a while I haven't flown my quad, and this image here, it's annoying, you know, and I wish I can just fix it real quick. But yeah, I mean, hopefully that'll take care of it. It's just the flicking greens and black, green, black. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. If you have a Phantom 4 Pro, you know what I'm talking about. But yep, that's what they said. Do the updates, and it's not doing it as used to, you know, as much as it used to do it. But hopefully, see how it flicks. You see that? Yeah, that there. That's what's worrying me. But like they said, you just gotta do the updates. And that's it. That's what I did. I did the updates. Yep, it's up to date. Yep, your software's up to date. So I did it, and hopefully that'll take. See that? That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm worrying about. But we'll see. We'll figure it out, and hopefully I can get on the phone with them tomorrow and ask them what seems to be the problem. Because it's an expensive quad, and I can't wait to take it out. It's still cold over here. So yeah, that's all I have for today. And we'll see you in my next video. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. Love y'all. God bless y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.